Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing video of the new Tongde tank. Let's see what's inside. Comes with parts, instruction manual, bunch of stuff. What's inside? Okay, decal, charger, spare tracks, IR receiver and such. Boom! Churchill. Yes, I know it's been out for a while, but I haven't gotten to doing the unboxing video, so here it is. So here you have it. This is the Churchill Mk7. This is an infantry fighting vehicle, or tank, but anyways, this is interesting because no other manufacturer had made a 1/16 scale RC tank for the Churchill. So let's check it out. So checking the tank out, you can see there's a lot of details they put into this. There's a lot. They put in a lot of effort in all the hatches, the commander's hatch, the loader's hatch. Let me try to open it. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, there's a lot of hatches. Engine hatch. Come on. Drivers and radio operator hatch. All the hatches. Okay. It doesn't do anything. I think this is okay. Right here, you can plug in the IR receiver. Okay, we can see here. This is the turret elevation. And really, what's really cool is the this hatch is the on-off switch. So, and then there's one more hatch over here. This is the escape hatch on both sides. Yeah. So a lot of hatches. Okay, quite a lot of details for this. Let's give it a try. As usual, turn on. Oh, that's interesting. The machine gun has an arc. So as I hold it, it's moving by itself. There's a motor that makes it move. Okay, and then let's see the cannon. Oh, it says flash. Oh, check out, there's flash and recoil. Oh, this is a nice feature from Tongde. So, natural recoil, that's nice. What else is there? So this is the second machine gun. You press D and the A button over here. That's the second machine gun. One machine gun. And cannon. So smoke, of course there's smoke. I think it should exit from here. This is the smoke stack. Yes, so you can see the smoke here. Let me see. Yeah, you can see that, right? Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, let's drive it around a bit. More than 360. That's interesting. Okay, so the limiter is over here. It still has the 320 turret limiter, so you don't twist the wires inside. That's useful. One of the good features that comes with this tank is that it comes with a tensioner, so you don't have to modify or do what you need. or buy elsewhere. So all you need to do is use a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, to adjust, and you can tension the tracks by pushing the wheel either front or back. Okay, so it will tension the tracks, and it also copies the original springs of the Churchill. So very nice. Of course, this comes with the Pro version, which means it has metal tracks and metal wheels, and I'm sure steel gearbox as well. So I think this drives pretty well and has a lot of features, and it will lend a sense of authenticity for the Churchill enthusiasts out there. I think this is a good buy, and yeah. As usual, the Tongde comes with 2 sounds. So when you press the 2 buttons down here, it will hear the beep, turn off the engine, and then when you turn it on, it's a different sound. The turret elevation is a bit slow, but it's okay. So Tongde has incorporated its quite realistic tracks, just like the real thing. So you can see its individual tracks. Okay, so this is they managed to replicate the original suspension faithfully. So this is really nice, and as usual, you can see this is the side hatch for the escape, just like the real thing. You can get this from our web store, rctechlegion.com, and as usual, thank you for watching.